How to remove negative pages from Google search. My name is Nadernejad. I help people fix their online reputations. I run a digital marketing agency specializing in online reputation management. We are a small team, but we focus on reputation and we really care about the people we work with. If you need to contact me for any help, all the info in the description below. But today I'm here to give you some free advice. If you want to fix your online reputation and purge those links, you gotta first ask yourself, hey, can those links be removed? Send a message to the publisher or the author and tell them, hey, my personal safety is in danger right now because there are people who are slandering me, they want to know my location, and it would really help if you at least remove my name from the article. This will actually get it removed from sites like mylife.com or search aggregators, but it might not work with, larger publishers. You might need to, seek a legal route. So in this video, I'm going to give you 3 simple, easy, actionable steps. Number 1, create a website. Go to GoDaddy.com, buy a domain with your name, okay? Don't make the domain called, Burger Shop. Name it after your name if that's who you're trying to protect. Or if you have a burger shop, name it after your burger shop, but you want the domain to be representing the brand you want to rank for. And then start putting content on that website. If you can put a blog on it, great. First place to start. Then you want to make a Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. You want to have all those main social networks. Start posting on them and be active on them. Make sure it has your name, and if you could fit your location inside of the handle, that would also help. So if you're Bob Young from Pennsylvania, you want Bob Young, Pennsylvania. So when people look that up, your links come up. Next up, yesterday I released a video on all the social media networks that you should start if you want to fix your online reputation, and they are Crunchbase, Medium, Pinterest, Vimeo, IT Toolbox, the Google Knowledge Graph, Photobucket, Quora, StumbleUpon, Yahoo Pulse, Formspring.me, MySpace, LinkedIn, Blogger, Tumblr, Plixi, Flickr, Cameo, and Udemy. If you didn't hear anything I just said, check out the video down below in the description and go watch that video for a list of all the networks you can create social media platforms on. So you've created your website, you've created all these different main platforms, and you've kept them active. You also implemented the massive list that I've just given you to create. Nothing is working still. Great. Open up the notepad on your computer and start writing dozens and dozens and dozens of positive articles about yourself. Great. How are you going to do that? Write it in third person, 500 words. Your name is Mary White, and let's say you stole a car, and now that's in the first page of Google search. So now what you're going to do is you're going to launch a charity, or do something kind, or do something excellent, or just give people your top business tips. I don't know, do something positive. Write an article. Headline: Mary Smith is teaching young people about entrepreneurship because she loves to help. And then you're going to start writing your 500-word article. Bam, first paragraph. Bam, second paragraph. Write that until it's 500 words. Save it. Name it something. Do this for 5, 10, 15 articles. You good? You following me still? I didn't say reputation management would be easy, but now you're going to take these articles, you're going to go to Fiverr.com, Fiverr.com. You're going to search up the term, publish article. You're going to scroll down. You're going to find different sellers who are willing to publish article, and then you're going to send them messages and buy their services. Upload the articles that you wrote to Fiverr, and then they're going to publish the articles for you. What's that going to result in? Even higher search rankings. Now you're going to be on blogs, news sites, press releases, then you have like dozens of networks, and at the end of the day, if this still is not working for you, then whoever wrote that news story on you owns a very, very high domain website. I mean, they're like either Forbes or something huge, in which case just send me a message. I have my phone number, literally my phone number in the description. Be like, Nader, I did all your stuff, you taught me how to do it for free, but it's still not working. Can you link me up with higher end publishers, write my articles for me, SEO optimize them? So that's when an expert comes in, and if you actually did all that, then I will personally help you with your campaign, because sometimes it can be hard, especially if you're a public figure or you did something that's really newsworthy and it made it into like Fox News, really not my favorite news publication, but they have a high search ranking. So I hope this video helped you. That is how you remove or bury negative pages from Google search. If you have any questions, let me know. Be sure to subscribe and smash the notification bell if this video helped, and thank you for watching.